Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to walk you through the process of cancelling your Home Depot credit card. We will guide you step by step so you can follow along easily. Let's get started. Step 1. Call customer service. The first step is to call the Home Depot credit card customer service. You will need to dial the number, which is 1-800-677-0232. This is the number you will be using to handle your cancellation. Step 2. Enter account information. Once you're connected, you will be prompted to enter your account information. Make sure you have your card handy so you can input the necessary details quickly and accurately. Head to the step 3. State close account. After entering your account information, you will be asked to state the reason for your call. Clearly say close account. This will indicate to the system that you wish to cancel your card. Now step 4 is connect to a representative. Now you will be connected to a representative who will help you finalize the cancellation process. They might ask you some question about why you are choosing to cancel. Answer them and they will confirm the closure of your account. No online cancellation option. It's important to note that currently there's no option to cancel your Home Depot credit card online. Calling customer service is the only way to handle this request. Discuss credit score impact. Before you decide to cancel, consider the potential impact on your credit score. Canceling a card reduces your overall available credit, which can affect your credit utilization ratio. If there's no annual fee, you might want to keep the card open and unused to maintain your credit score. And there you have it. That's how you can cancel your Home Depot credit card. We hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful. If you have any question, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more informative content. Thanks for watching and see you next time.